Price was so encouraging. I was tempted to pick two. I have a story behind this. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another fantastic, beautiful haul. So it's gonna be more like a collective haul, mix of brand, affordable, luxury items I got in Italy while we were on holiday. It was fun, like shopping in another country. There are most pieces you don't really see here. They're different, so that excitement is also there, and the price range and tax free as well is included. So you see, it's a win-win. We're not going to ramble too much. We're going to dive into what I have got that I'm keeping in my wardrobe. So it's like, okay, what's new in my wardrobe, you know? Anyway, so let's dive right into the show. So before we start, I just want to ask this honest question. Ladies, I see a lot of vlogs. You guys travel on holiday with family. How do you do it? Like the vlogging part with family, how do you do it? Because I don't understand. It's not functioning. Like literally, I packed a camera as well as this tripod. I barely even make up during vacation with family. I mean, how do you do it? Like, help a sister, help a friend. Just let me know by commenting on the comment section. I know content creating is difficult, right? But vlogging, vacation, the family, and you guys just go slaying. I need to know. While we're on that, I'm going to just start up with this. First with accessories. This from Mango. I don't know if it's available now, but I picked up in the store. It was on sales. I am loving these earrings. If you are not shopping accessories like jewelries from Mango, I don't know what you are waiting for. What are you waiting for? They have one of the most finest design and quality. I've had Mango accessories for years. With all the cream, perfume, all of that, they still stand the test of time. The sun, the rain, everything, they still stand. So don't get this. I'm not sure if this is available, but you know, I will try to find. Otherwise, I will get a similar link down below. So the next accessories I got, most of you have been asking me of my previous, I think the choker. I am obsessed with Mango accessories when it comes to choker. This one in particular in golden. So I love the design and shape on these. Like you have not really closed up, you just have like a normal choker, but it's quite sturdy. You can fit in to your neckline however you want, and they are sturdy. It was quite affordable. Again, like I said, I felt like I wanted to take that shop from Italy down to Switzerland. The price, considering the fact that Swiss francs is higher than euro at this time, the price was so encouraging. I was almost tempted to pick two, but okay, it was not called for. I love this and it was quite affordable. Like I said, I recommend 100% Mango jewelries. Go get it. Next up is this linen sleeve I'm wearing. I hope this lighting is not washing this colorway. So it's in buttery yellow. This linen, I am obsessed with it. It's 100% linen from the selection section, so it's of the higher quality. I love the detail. You have this button of a golden details down here, and you have a normal one like an invisible. You really don't see that ones like that invisible stuff going on there. Love the sleeve. You have a button at the overall structure on this is so beautiful. The length wise, the quality wise, I am loving every details and the quality on this linen. It is 100%. It is lightweight. It is breathable. Of course, a linen, an essential, a must have for the season. So I highly recommend if you want a great quality. Then I also feel like the price, I bought this in Italy, Milan. So the price was so beautiful. Like, oh my god. So I'm wearing these in size M because it comes to be like oversized. Normally I would do L when it comes to linen, but this fits perfectly. So you just have the nice structure, nice fit down here, but you have the more relaxed down, if that makes sense, at the hem. So I love it. I recommend 100%. One more, I got these, I think it's 100% cotton in chocolate, like a tank top. You have this round deep cut neckline. I just love the way it stretches and the fit super soft and comfortable. suitable to your skin. It's just a normal basic for the season, and sure, there's the color of the season, chocolates in combination with this butter yellow. I feel it's a fantastic, beautiful pieces. It's just a basic you can may rock or during the season throw over, and you are perfect to go. So I love it. It stretches very well, and the length wise it's so appropriate. I love it. All right, so next up, to be honest, I really don't have those prints or graphic t-shirts. I'm not sure. I think I only have one, which I really almost don't wear because I felt like it was just so overwhelming. The graphics just too much, so not a fan of it. I got 2 of these print on it. I just felt like the print was not, it was a bit subtle, not like overwhelming or exaggerating, and it quite fits comfortably. These are from, I don't know the brand, I have not heard of them before. I think it was a coincidence. I was sitting in front of the store. I mean, it was in Duomo. You have some bars there, so this shop was just opposite, and I saw the t-shirt on the mannequin. I said, oh my god, this is not really bad. I love it. You just have a female head sculpture with the eyes, the nose, and the mouth is just painted or drafted down. I just felt like it's just an elevated basic for the season, and I just really love. I saw it and I said, okay, what brand is this? I have to go get this t-shirt. Anyway, I don't have any write-up t-shirt like this, and it was quite affordable. I think it was less than 20 euros. This brand is called, okay, I have to check. Reserved. Design in Poland. I think it's 100% cotton. It's lightweight, it's very comfortable, and the fabric feels pretty soft, and the size as well, it's pretty cute. I also love the length. Like I said, it's 100% cotton, it's lightweight. I feel like it's a basic essential for the season. You can also wear it during the spring, summer, as well as autumn or thereabout. So I got this in 2 colors. That is in, I think they had right up. I think that was actually the first thing that got my attention was pasta lover. I love pasta. So I said, yes, I need this. I love this t-shirt, and they were quite affordable. I will try to just put down the website. It is called Reserved. Could be.com. I don't know. So the next piece I got from this brand is a linen shorts. I have a story behind this that I'm going to share with you guys. I got this linen mini skirt in red. I felt like they match like with this short sleeve t-shirt, this pastel lover. I think that was what actually got me. Okay, you know what? Let's have a matching set. And they really worked pretty well. Simple, easy, and elevated piece for the season. I quite love the linen. It's 100% linen, lightweight. Love the structure, and the fitting was so nice. Lengthwise, appropriate, and not too mini. And I pretty love the quality. It's so good. And the linen, it's not a see-through, it's thick enough to cover up. Let me go back to that short story because it's so cute story that I have to share this with you. So on my way out, like I said, I was sitting opposite. I was just drinking, and when I saw the dummy, and I said, oh, this is so nice. I have to watch. I think it was 30 minutes before they were closing. I didn't know. So when I was shopping, they said, oh, they are closing. And I said, okay, you know what? Let me just pay for these ones. I was about leaving. At the door on my right, I saw this dress. Beautiful. It was a linen. There's no way I could pick it up anymore because they're closing. I said, you know what? I told my husband, I said, I'm coming back the next money to pick it. Then we were leaving that next money. I said, no, there's no time. You cannot pick it. I said, but I have to. Otherwise, we're going to come back the next week to Milan. They said, no, we are not coming back. Then we have to wait. So I had to wait the next morning. And lo and behold, they were opening 10 a.m. in the morning. And we were supposed to leave morning. I said, okay, that will go now. We'll come back next weekend for this. So we had to wait finally. And I got this dress. My regret now is, why didn't I pick 2 or 3 colors? The quality is beautiful. It was affordable. And I said, oh my God, this dress is a linen. I love the simplicity. You have this round sleeveless with the volume details. This is the most chic piece for the season for me. I just felt like not just the color against my skin, but the structure is just so simple, fabulous, yet chic. The material, the fabric, everything on this dress is so beautiful, chef kiss. Like I said, I recommend, I would try the website. If you guys love it, I highly recommend this. And I'm wearing this in size M, perfect sizing. If I didn't mention this size, okay, they're both M. Most times I do wear M, so I recommend. Love, love, love. Okay, next item I picked in Italy is my dream bag. Oh my god, it's the Peekaboo. I've had this on my wish list for quite some time. Fendi has, I think they only have in Geneva, which is far away from me. I say, okay, the distance between where I am to Milan and distance here to Geneva is the same. Again, I'm gonna get tax-free. Okay, so that was a plus. And I said, okay, you know what, I would just get it here. And that was what happened. I am loving this Peekaboo. It comes in 3 or 4 sizes. This is in small. I had a little bit of challenge while choosing the sizing because by nature I am that person that loves big bags. Like the challenge was real between choosing from the big one and the small one, which is just like a difference of this. I think at the end of the day I said, okay, you know what, I have a lot of big bags, let me go for this. It is super cute. I'm obsessed with this bag. I'm someone who's very picky when it comes to classy bags. These are one of their classy bags. I love, love, love it. You have this hardware. It comes with a strappy handle, and you also have this like a raincoat thereabout for the bags, which I feel like, okay, is necessary. It's quite sturdy, portable, perfect sizing for everyday or for dinner or for event. I feel like this size, it's really cute. Love the quality, pretty soft. If I had to compare these with the Fendi Fest has one of the most delicate leather, but I love that design is too unique not to have. But I feel like this leather is a bit sturdy, harder comparing to that. You have this 2 sides, one side here and one side here. You have some inner pockets and with a strap. I would just display how much it retails for, but I love it. Love it. I cannot even tell you guys. There's another one, the mini. 100% mini is not for me. I love this small bag. I am obsessed. So chic, so classy, so elegant. And I got an accessories. It's more like the scarf, you know, the binder you use to protect, but that's not the reason why I got these accessories anyway. It's like a scarf. Most people use it just like to protect the handle of the bag because of the oil, maybe your cream or thereabout to just give it durability, but I don't care about that. But I love that I can use it as a bed. How chic. I love this sort of style. So elegant. And these are the new collection, the summer collection. You have this color fabric. As my intention to have it on the sleeve like this, or I can use it as a bow tie. I can also use it for the handle, and then I can also use it as a bed, you know, just to bring in some class. Alright queens, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not really what I do always, you know, what's new in my video, but maybe we should start doing things like stuff like this is what I will keep in my wardrobe 100%. And bags like this, if actually Fendi, it's here in my city, and I would not have picked it up in Milan anyway, but it was also a plus because you have it tax-free. This bag is expensive, it's not cheap at all. So let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know by commenting down in the comment section. I hope you guys loved this video. Let me know your favorite among those pieces. Alright coins, I see you in my next one. Stay safe and stay blessed.